Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I'm just waiting for everyone to join.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Cool. So my question to all of you today, because it's the last day of this 1 month program, is that I'm not asking what changed inside of you. I'm asking that from today onwards, what are those 3 things that you're going to do on a regular basis? Any 3 things out of the 30 days that you learned that you're going to practice on a regular basis, and how do you think it's going to change your life? One by one.
Nobody coming?
You start.
Well, out of what we learned here, I'm definitely going to work on Soul's Temple clear, whatever you've given all the clearings. And firstly, for my health, and of course, rest of the issues that keep going on day to day basis. And second thing is that stop seeing the negative parts of everything. That's what I've decided. And see the positive side of every issue. And whatever feelings that arise or whatever emotions that arise, of course, I'll be working on it with the Soul's Temple clearings. And the third thing, what I thought is to make it a practice to be regular with my daily routines. Like allot a time for whatever I have to do. Because this way I sometimes miss, So now like 3 to 4, we have to come here. So maybe I allot that time to do my Soul's Temple work. So that I become regular in my routine,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I've thought. So I don't know how things go.
Yeah, I mean, so whatever you have thought, I want you to write it down in your own diary.
All right.
With today's date.
All right.
Okay. Write today's date. First, start with writing that what did you gather in all these days. And then after that, from today onwards, 3 things in action that I'm going to do. For example, you said like making a routine, fixing a time for everything. So that, and then instead of being positive, I would say being real and also seeing the brighter side of things.
Yes, right. Yeah.
Okay, not just not ignoring the
No,
negative.
I didn't find the words to say that, but that's what I meant.
That is why I'm just reframing that.
Yeah.
That being real and also seeing the brighter side of things.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and then the third thing is regularly doing Soul's Temple for all my emotions and whatever I feel.
Yes. Yes.
And allotting maybe 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. for that.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if these are the 3 action steps you're going to take, the first thing I want you to do is, even if I think even before the call ends and other people are sharing, bring down your notebook, write it all down, write today's date, and every week do a review that this week, how many times did I follow what I wrote?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. If out of 7 days, you did it, say 4 days, and you didn't do 3 days, don't beat yourself up for that. But the next week, next to that, make sure at least you make 4 to 5 days.
Right. Right.
Then the next week to that, make it like 6 days, or
Yeah.
and then the 4th week must be like, you did all that you have written regularly. Now, if without being hard on yourself, and if you write it down with the date and then check every week, for example, today is what, Thursday, right? So every Thursday, do a review. What did I do in this entire week for myself and my health and whatever you're working on?
Yeah.
Okay. And where was I before the week started and where am I after the week ended? Okay.
Right.
And then after that, second week, third week, fourth week, in 1 month, see, the group is anyway active. I'm not deleting as of now anything for a month, at least I'm not. What I want each one of you, at least in the third week, on your own, you have to come back and tell me that these 3 weeks I did this, and this changed for me. And through my own self work, I have progressed from here to here. Now that is going to bring a discipline.
Yes. That's what I want, some discipline in my life.
Okay. And discipline doesn't mean, oh, strict rules. For me, discipline is not strict rules. It is like, you know, taking out time for yourself
Yeah.
is essential.
Yeah.
And all that you have said are essential, are basic necessities. They are not luxuries.
Yes.
And when you have a tool in your hand, when you have time in hand, when you really need it also, and still if we don't do, who do you expect will come and help you?
Nobody.
If you don't help yourself, who is going to help you? Right?
Right.
So that is why I want you, Ranjali, write down all that you said just now in a notebook with today's date, and every day put a tick mark on, you know, those 3 things that you have written. Did I do this today? Did I do this today? Did I do this today? If you didn't do it, doesn't matter. Someday you're not well. Someday you can't do it. Someday you're really upset. Doesn't matter. I'm like, this is for everybody. You don't have to be hard on yourself. Surely, but you have to develop a routine,
Yes.
a self-discipline for yourself, not for anybody else.
Yes.
How much committed are you to change? How much committed are you to your health? How much committed are you to your life will be decided by what you're doing in the next 1 month.
Right.
See, when somebody is taking you through for 1 month, it's very easy to follow everything. But on your own, are you doing it for you is more important.
Yes.
And that is what I want everybody to do. I mean, of course, I will have everybody talk here. But I don't want to hear a no on this from anybody. If you have actually attended all days with me or even 20 days out of 30 with me, then if you really want to honor me, I mean, apart from the monetary contribution or anything that you want to make, that is going to be my reward. If you really want to honor the time that I've given, the information that I've shared, all the things that I've done so heartily for all of you. If you really want to give me something in return, please do this for yourself. That is going to be my reward.
Definitely.
And I'm expecting that from you. I'm not saying I'm not expecting. I am expecting that from you.
Definitely. Definitely.
Okay. So thank you, Ranjali.
Thank
Next.
you so much.
I'll say, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
For me, things have changed in the sense that I've realized the importance of Soul's Temple. Like yesterday evening, I was feeling sad. Like, the feeling of sad was there. So while standing in the kitchen, I just started doing, Soul's Temple for my sadness. And then suddenly, automatically, things started shifting for me. And then I just told, after ages, I went out for a drive. I felt happy, So I thought, because I've I've acknowledged that feeling of mine, and I've done for that. So when the shift comes, so automatically things fall in place.
Absolutely.
Like that.
And when you do it every time, it is not possible that you don't see a shift. But you have to do it, right? And not wait for somebody else to tell you that, oh, Anjali, do this. No, it has to be, it has to be a self-motivation. From inside, it has to come that, okay, if I'm feeling sad, basic kya hai? Okay, my sadness is my soul's temple. My need to be sad is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of my sadness is my soul's temple. You don't need to think about, oh, whether I know deeper steps or not, whether I know better statements or not, whether I'm going into the root cause or not. Nothing is required. Basic. Start with the basic every day. Every day, take out time for that. So thank you for sharing that, Anjali. Because then you not only did Soul's Temple, you did Soul's Temple for the sadness, and then you in action went for a drive. You took action to make yourself happy also.
Yes, yes.
Apart from the healing, in action change is also important. Okay. Simply doing, okay, this is my Soul's Temple, this is my Soul's Temple, my need for this is my Soul's Temple, my resistance to let go of this is my Soul's Temple, and then going and sulking again. That's not how it works. Right? It's important. So yeah, anything else you want to share?
Yeah, and then I have realized this also, that if I need help, I should be like, I have this thing ki like, help nahi mangna chahiye. But this 1 month conversation, I realized ki no, if I require any kind of help, I should be asking for it. So I'm
Absolutely.
really,
Yeah, so your three things is doing Soul's Temple whenever some emotion comes up, asking for help whenever required, and in action, practically changing things which, like kind of, doing things which make you happier, right? Which you can in your, whatever is your arena, limitation or boundary or whatever, but within that boundary also we can do a lot of things, isn't it?
yes, yes, ma'am, exactly.
Because see, I was not always this free person who had all the time in the world. I also had my small children. I also had to take care of my family, joint family and everything. For years I have done that. But that time it was a very limited scope of, freedom and doing what you want to do, because there was so much work at home. But in that also, nothing else, even while washing the clothes in my washing machine, sitting in my, you know, wash space, I would sing a song. I would play small games with my children. I would sit and draw with my children. Something I would do. I mean, I didn't know all of this healing then, but I think innately I didn't like to be sad all the time. Innately, I like to be joyful. So I would somehow, sit with the children and sing songs, or simply watch something or do something that makes all of us happy. And that was something that I did any which way, always. So it is not about, if people come and tell me, oh, for you it's easy to say because you don't have any responsibilities. I've had a hell a lot of responsibilities all my life. And I've been there, done all of that. Everything that any housewife does. And then housewife, after being a housewife, then also I've done jobs where full-time jobs and household jobs and taking care of children and taking care of my mother, everything I have done. So it's not like I don't know what that is. Now I'm free, definitely, because my children are grown up and, I have more free time, and this touch wood, they're all good enough to take care of themselves. So if anyone comes and tells me, right, that no, you're quite lucky, and oh, you don't have, your children are taking care of themselves, you don't have anything to worry. So I just say, I just shun it off, because I'm not lucky. If I were lucky, I would have been having all the luxury in the world and not having to do anything right from the beginning, right? But I worked my way. I worked my way, and I am where I am because I worked my way through it. So that also, just remember that whatever is your boundary, inside that boundary also there is a lot that you can do. If you desire to,
I've
if
learned
you
it from
wish
you,
to.
ma'am. I've learned by your talk, ma'am. I've really learned.
So yeah, thank you, Anjali. Thank you for sharing. And thank you, because it makes me very happy to see that even these small steps that we take, right? कि चलो ठीक है, sad feel हुआ, soul temple किया, drive पे निकल गए. Very small steps, but those small steps on a regular basis can create a big change. Okay, not only in you, even in your surrounding. Just remember that. So yeah, thank you. Thank you, Anjali. Who else?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shikha.
Yeah, Vandana. First of all, thank you so much. Should I or you?
No, say.
Yeah. So I would be working with Soul's Temple definitely, because yesterday a friend of mine, she had big red spots on her hand.
Hmm.
So she told me it's allergy, मुझे Allegra लेनी पड़ेगी. मैंने बोला नहीं, it doesn't looks like allergy. Even she thought it's not. There were some mosquito bites. Then after before our session yesterday, I did Soul Temple statement with her, and by evening she said they have all gone flat.
Awesome.
And night again she did it on her own,
Hmm.
what I made her do, and I had given her that also, the need to, the resistance to let go. Then she said there is a pricking sensation. Then I ran statements like the feeling of needle pricking in my body is my soul's temple. And today morning she is absolutely feeling fine. So I was feeling so good internally कि मैं किसी के काम आ सकी. And I have made it. I used to always underestimate myself. मैंने इतना किया है, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मेरे पास कोई अप्रोच ही नहीं करता है. मैंने रेकी कर ली, मैंने असेस कर लिया. But from your talks, I have altered my mindset. Like I used to always crib मेरी co sister in law के इतना social circle है, see how they are giggling, they are laughing. But when I go in that circle, I still feel that left out, because that talks are still not what I would always like to be
Enjoy.
indulged in, enjoy. So now instead of focusing there, I have started I have such a loving caring husband, I've got beautiful kids, beautiful house, no other issues. So I've started seeing best in things what I have. So I have made these changes in me. And then there was suddenly my friend's mother who was admitted in a hospital last week. Then I approached her, can I send healing to her? I have learned Reiki. So then other day, suddenly she thanked me that her oxygen levels have gone up. Then she met me down for a walk. Then other also lady connected. And then they said, we want to learn Reiki from you. So that is again another magic. आज तक कोई नहीं अप्रोच करता था, मैं हमेशा अंदर बैठ के क्रेबी करती थी, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मेरा तो ये वेस्ट हो रहा है सब कुछ. So these are the changes that have come in my
Awesome.
space, and I will see to it, yes, your efforts don't go waste. I will not go back to my old patterns. Definitely I will work with Soul Temple. मुझे पता है ये रोज हमको टॉक सुनने मिल रहा है, तो वो बूस्ट मिल रहा है, इसलिए we are stable. But we'll have to see to it that, because every day we are not going to get this every time. So we'll have to make that conscious choice and effort to not go back to the toxic patterns and create new in our life.
Yes.
I'll keep it up.
I'm so happy to hear this. And
I'm feeling so relaxed, so relaxed. I could make that difference in her mom's space, yesterday in my friend's space. एक lightness वाली feeling आ रही है मुझे अंदर से.
see, there is no better way to improve your self-worth than to contribute to people without money. Doesn't even matter. When you
No.
actually make a difference in even one person's life, the amount of joy that whatever is that hormone that makes you like ecstatic
हाँ.
or like ecstasy.
Happy hormone एकदम shoot हो जाता है.
So that is a given. I thrive on those testimonies every day of my life. हर रोज
I
कोई ना कोई.
remember one day when I was complaining, you told me you can drive like crazy. So that one sentence of you giving me that boost has really helped me move forward.
Yes, and thank you for receiving, and thank you for sharing also.
Thank
I'm
you for giving
very-
so much, Vandana. I have no words. अभी तो tears आ रहे हैं, मेरे से और नहीं बोला जाएगा. Thank you from bottom of my heart. I bow in front of you.
I'm very grateful, and may you contribute to lot of more people in your life, and
I'm open. Yes.
through all the things that whichever way, with money, without money, earn fame, name, recognition, everything. See, the world needs more people like this. Everybody is sitting and talking about sob stories. Everybody is sitting and talking about pain. The world needs more people to talk about joy, to talk about, what else is possible. So even if, मतलब कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है इधर, अगर मेरे जैसे 1000 लोग हो जाएंगे तो ये दुनिया सुंदर हो जाएगी.
Yes, the
तो
world
इसमें
will be a beautiful place to live.
कंपटीशन की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई कंपैरिजन की जरूरत नहीं है. मेरे लाइफ में कोई कमी नहीं आने वाली है अगर मेरे जैसे और 1000 लोग बन जाएंगे, या मेरे से बहुत बड़े बन जाएंगे तो भी कोई कमी नहीं आने वाली है.
Yes, I have to come with this mindset. वो fear कहीं छोड़ना पड़ेगा. अगर ये करेंगे तो
See, tell me one thing. There's this, okay, I'll share this story. Somewhere I read when I was doing these soft skills trainings, कि एक दो salesmen, the approach of the salesman. One salesman was sent to, say, I don't remember the real words and all that, but sent to Africa where people walk barefoot all the time. Okay? सब नंगे पैर चलते हैं और जूते की कंपनी है. अब से एग्जाम्पल एडिडास, आई रियली डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज. सो अब ये कंपनी वाले सेल्समैन को बोलते हैं कि भाई तुम वहाँ जाके रिसर्च करो और अपना फीडबैक दो आके कि क्या स्कोप है वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो द पर्सन गोज देयर एंड सीज एवरीबडी इज वॉकिंग बेयरफुट एंड हैप्पी वॉकिंग बेयरफुट, तो इसमें तो कोई स्कोप ही नहीं है. कौन जूते खरीदेगा, इनको तो जूते का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं पता है. ठीक है. So he comes back and he says that, oh, he's a great salesman and everything, but he says, no. With, as per my knowledge and all my statistics and everything, possibly nahi hai us jagah pe. We should just close that territory. Not even think of going there. There's no point because the people don't even know what shoes are. They don't know how to wear shoes. They don't know anything about shoes. They're never going to agree to this concept. Okay, so it'll be just a waste of time and energy into that place. And then there's another salesman who's like a, say, maybe mediocre and who wants to prove himself or has some zeal and zest and ki yaar kya kar sakte hain. I mean, he hasn't learned Access, but what else is possible? So he goes there and he sees everybody and he watches everybody individually and that place nicely and everything. And he comes back with a great, beautiful report that how this is the place where one day the concept can just go and reach out to every person here. And probably 10 years down the line, everybody would be wearing shoes over there. Okay. Now, it is not about shoes or no shoes or whether barefoot walking is better or shoes is good. I'm not talking about all of that. I'm just saying that our ancestors and everybody used to walk barefoot. We all are wearing shoes. And not just shoes, we are wearing branded shoes and this shoes and that shoes and all kinds of shoes. Earlier, if one chappal was 20 rupees, now 50, 500, 5,000 more, 15,000.
20,000. I don't know what, yeah.
Yeah. But if 10 years before, if I would have gone and said to somebody in my knowing कि 15,000 का जूता, we would be like, क्या बेवकूफ है क्या? घर का खर्चा 15,000 रुपए में मतलब चलता है. 15,000 का जूता कौन खरीदेगा? Are you nuts? Right? And I have had my house expense running in 15,000 for 10 years. And I'm not kidding. That's my life. I'm not talking about others. But then, yes, my daughter did buy a shoe of 15,000. 10 years down the lane. Now, what brought up this change? Not that I have ifrat mein paisa now, but the mindset has changed. The mindset has changed completely. That it's okay to prioritize your desires also, not just your needs. Earlier, it was only about, oh, as long as your basic needs are met, it's fine.
Fulfilled, yeah.
Yeah, but then later on, I was like, when I learned Access and other things, and that too, I mean, if I talk about the way she creates, it's mind-blowing. Like, I did Smriti Goswami's Business Done Different. And at that time, we spoke of indulging in what you would like to have. Okay. So we spoke of indulging in what you would like to have. She said, if you go to a shop and you see something and you feel that, wow, this is something that I would like to have. And then you go and see the price tag and you're like, fuck, I can't do this. Right? Now she says, don't say that. Don't say I can't afford this. Don't say I can't do this. She said that, okay, pick it up, just feel feel it. Get into the energy, play with that energy of that thing and indulge in it. Feel how would you feel when you have that and all of that. And then ask the universe that, okay, I wish to have this. I would love to have this. Now this, even before this class, when the class happened, I gave this as an example when Smriti explained. But before even that, so this, I don't know, I think it's Timberland, the shoes brand. I'm not very good at brands. So my daughter saw those shoes and she's like, Mama,
Those
yaar.
are very awesome shoes.
So she's like, Mama, yaar, mere ko na ye joote chahiye. And then when she told me, पागल हो गई है क्या? मेरे पास नहीं है इतने पैसे. Because that was my immediate response. Then, of course, me being me, I love my children to have everything that they desire. Obviously, every mother likes it. So then I told her, कि चल ठीक है. When we went to Chennai to my mom's house, I said, चल देख के आते हैं. Sale है. There's a sale. Let's go and just have a look at it. So she went into every shoe shop and she saw different shoes, the cheaper ones, the more costlier ones, and then all that she saw, she didn't buy anything. But when she saw that particular shoe that she wanted, she just looked at it. She took it in the hand and she was just looking at it. And I was just watching her, right? And really, I didn't have the money that time to immediately buy it for her. But she was just watching and she was like, yeah, it's lovely. And indulging in it, she wore it and she tied it up and she walked and she's looking in the mirror and she's walking up and down the shop. And I was just watching her, just indulging in that whole experience. And she did everything. And then after that, she just kept it aside and she said, "Nahi, mama, nahi chahiye. It's okay. Jab kabhi online mein koi sale hoga, tab main le lungi." Which is her understanding. Okay. But that indulging in that experience and this demand inside of hers that I would love to have this. After that, she would have had that conversation with my cousins and, not her cousins. And whatever happened. Within 3 months, my son was coming from New York on his holiday from office. He got her that shoe. That exact shoe. And then she was like...
So she asked it or it was a coincidence?
It came on its own.
Oh, okay. Magic.
She is like that. She creates what she wants to create. Everything that she wants. It'll come from anywhere. It doesn't even matter where it is going to come from. But she truly lives Access. She did foundation and she did, bars and she does earrings. But she won't do every day and all. When she wants something, she'll do. So the thing is...
कितने का है?
1671.
Sorry. Okay. So when I see her creating, right? And then when Smriti was sharing about this indulging in things and all, I was like, wow. I would go to the shop, I would look at it and I'll tell, nahi, bahut mehenga, and I'll just keep it and I'll just walk off. As if I don't deserve it and I can't afford it and this, all that nonsense I'll tell to myself. But after that, practically, I was at the airport and so, I would usually say buy a moisturizer, say Lakme moisturizer or Pond's or some simple brand. Okay. And then I went into the body shop. And the body shop is like what? 4,000, 5,000 rupees for a moisturizer and stuff like that. Which is, for me, again, it's beyond. Okay. But that day I just walked into the shop and I just was walking around. I was looking at everything and what is this and what is that. And I was practically indulging in everything. And after indulging in everything, I was like, can I give myself the permission to, when I spend on classes, when I spend on my children, I don't even think twice. But when it is coming to me, something that I want to apply on my face, I'm thinking so much, right? And then after moving around in the airport, like for example, for 15 minutes, I was just indulging with things in the shop. I was talking to the staff. I was asking, अच्छा ये कैसा है, इसमें क्या फायदा है, इसमें क्या है? Not from a space of just time pass window shopping. ये सब मेरे से नहीं होता. I can't do window shopping. But I picked up something and it just felt like, you know, that lightness. And I was like, okay, would you make me money? I just got a like, yes. I bought that. I spent like a 4,000-5,000 bucks that day. Just casually. First of all, the feel that I had, like, wow, I am important. I gave myself that importance, first thing. Okay. Second, immediately after that shop, when I went, this guy out there comes and tells that today lounge of the airport is free just for 2 rupees. And I had like a 3 hours at the airport layout. I went and I sat at the lounge and I was like, wow. And I had that Body Shop ka packet. I was like, thank you. You really made me money. I got my food and the lounge and everything like free for 3 hours. I'm sitting like comfortably. I took pictures and I had a lot of fun. Now this is when we can actually be this, right? This childlike curiosity and the enthusiasm that, wow, I created this. Ye maine create kiya. Magic and all of that. How is it possible that you'll sulk for a very long time? Because you know what that energy is. You know what joy is. And if that becomes more significant in your life, then sometimes when you're upset and sad, you can't choose for a very long time to be in it. You'll automatically go back here. Because you can't, right? It won't be like fun for you to remain in this cranky and crappy space. And so whenever I go into this cranky and crappy space, I'll do something. I'll go and watch Dan Here Tour of Consciousness, some 3 videos, any random videos. I'll do something. I may like sulk for a while and sleep for 2 hours and do nothing. But then I'll be like, nahi yaar, aise nahi chahiye. Get up, do something, bandana. It's like, chalo, ek scooty leke nikal jate. Like how Anjali said, drive pe nikal. Put on some music. Yesterday, after Karika asked me to sing, I was like, wow, kitne dinon se gaana nahi gayi hu. I picked up one song, I sang it like 10 times till evening. I recorded it and then I shared it with, Kanika and a couple of people. And then everybody who heard it like, oh my God, it's such a lovely song and this and that, everything. Simply just singing a song can make you so joyful. Does that cost any money? Does that really, does it require anything? And how much time does it take? 3 minutes? One song, 3 minutes? Just that. If you really wish to be joyful, there are 1,001 ways to be joyful. But if you fix that I will be joyful, for example, if Avni would have fixed that only when I get the Timberland ka shoes, then I'll be happy. To ho gaya. She wouldn't have been happy for the next 3 months. And probably she wouldn't have got the shoes also. Because that unhappiness that she would have dwelled in until she got it, she would have created more crap in her life. She would have told to herself 1,000 times that, oh, we can't afford it, I don't deserve it, or this, that, oh, maybe I'm not a good daughter, I'm troubling my mother. You can tell 1,000 things to yourself to make yourself feel bad. But she didn't do anything. She just indulged. She said, "Theek hai, mama, chalo, chalte hai, nahi chahiye." And very happily she went. And she bought 2 shoes of 1,500 rupees later. Some blue, yellow, pink colors, like very weird color. But she was like, "Acha lag raha hai na ye?" I was like, "हाँ, तेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है तो तू कर ले." So these are the simplest of the things. That it doesn't mean that if I don't get what I want, that means I have to till I get it, I must feel unhappy or ungrateful for life. There is so much. And when your energy is fully focused on the gratitude for being and the fun, she would just, she is one another person in my life who walks and talks in gratitude every day. Like yesterday also, she bought curtains for her house in Goa. And she sent me a picture. Mama, बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है ना? पहली बार मैं खुद से होके कर्टन खरीदी हूँ अपने रूम के लिए. And I'm feeling very happy. Small things. Very, very small things. Do we express that gratitude for those smallest things that you do every day? And that adds more happiness. So much more happiness to life, and so much more gratefulness, gratitude of being. Yeah, Shashi, you want to say something?
No, just my 3 points.
Sorry?
Just the 3 points to ask.
Yeah, please share.
Oh. My biggest takeaway shift was in that session where you had invited Neelamji as a guest, where she spoke about being feminine is divine and it's a receiving thing. Until then, I used to hate being born as a girl, and I used to think that as a girl, I have to do the jobs of a man and a woman, and there's always this conflict. So that really shifted for me, and helped me understand and feel like, okay, well, my soul chose this body for a reason, and it's okay. It's hard to be you when you're having so much, you're hating yourself the way you were born. And so now, yeah, I'm just okay with that. Like daily, I've been practicing and thinking, changing my beliefs, that no, it's okay to be a girl and I can still take care of my family as a girl. And I've even instructed my mom and my dadi to stop saying all the time कि अरे घर में जेंट्स नहीं है ना तो ये नहीं हो सकता, घर में जेंट्स नहीं है तो ये नहीं हो सकता. I'm like, पापा दादू चले गए तो फर्स्टली इट्स नॉट आवर फॉल्ट कि घर में जेंट्स नहीं है, कहाँ से पैदा तो कर नहीं सकते, जो है जैसे हैं वैसे ही रहना है. And I've taught them that Krishna is the gents in your house. Like, stop thinking that way. He's taking care of you. He's a man. All these saints who worship, he's a man. And it's not just me, it's shifting a mindset in my whole family. And the other thing, next 21 days, I'm going to the patriarchal society session that you had with the Souls Temple and also the Ma Nani Bala's temple, and you mentioned do it once for 21 days, else do it 11 times each day. So I've decided, because I wanted to totally internalize, I'll do it once, those affirmations starting tomorrow for 21 days, the ones at the end of both of those two sessions. And the last thing I want to practice is, like others mentioned, whatever, whenever I feel, doing my Soul's Temple then and there, and also distributing it to others. Just yesterday, I had a meditation session. I was reading for my company co-workers, and it was a group of community of Black women who'd invited me for a meditation yoga session. And I asked you yesterday if I can share the Soul Temple template, and I made a slide deck, shared it with them, taught them in 10 minutes because I just had 15 minutes. And many people were interested. This is all in the US. So I shared the PPT with them, and I told them, please Google, it's by Atman. If you need more information, you can email or do it. So the thing was doing it myself and spreading it to others. And it gave tremendous joy. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much for sharing it with the people, in your office and US and other places. You can always also refer them to the YouTubes that we have posted.
Yes.
The ones we have done, because I think all are in English mostly.
Yes.
So they can understand. And other than that, for you, you were not in the womb healing session, right? Okay, cool. Remind me after 10 days of doing these statements, write it down, that ask me for the womb healing audio. But after 11 days of, say, doing these. Okay? Cool. Thank you, Shashi.
Thank you.
Excuse me, what did she say? 10 days of doing which affirmations?
The one of the few sessions we did, healing with the father, healing with the mother, and all of this.
And one thing I wanted to, talk about is when you were talking about the airport episode of yours. what happened with me was that I've been traveling to UK to my daughter's place quite often. And what happens with me is when I'm at the airport and I like to self-indulge in something for myself, what happens at that moment is the fear comes in. That if I self-indulge in this, I'll be shouted at, They're going to give me this thing. Why did you spend on yourself? Why are you wasting money? You know, whenever I'm in a shop or I like something, then this starts, hitting me, very badly. My daughter's bickerings, like you're spending on yourself, you're wasting money, there's no food to eat, things like that. And I just walk out of the shop. That's what happens with me.
Cool. Have you ever bought something or you've never bought anything?
No, I did buy, but what I did was that I bought it and I kept it to myself. I didn't show it to them. I had to hide it, because of the scare that
Okay,
they shout at me.
but you did buy, right?
Yeah.
So that means you did give yourself that permission to do things for yourself.
Yes.
Maybe your daughters are not the place where you got to share it. You can share it with other people.
Yeah, that's true. But then at home, when you are there and it's supposing it comes out and like, of course I did take it out, but nobody, that scare is there that I'll be questioned. Where
Work
did you get
on,
it from and how did you get it from?
work on your guilt of questioning other people and being questioned both.
Okay.
And do it on a regular basis. Fear
Okay,
and guilt.
that's a big thing, in me, which just came up when you were talking about it.
And it's okay. It came up for a reason. Maybe you can write it down that, my fear of being questioned is my soul's temple. My
Okay.
need to be questioned is my soul's temple. Uh, my resistance to let go of this fear of being questioned is my soul's temple. One. And my guilt of questioning others.
Okay.
When you were in power, you must have questioned a lot of people. So my guilt of questioning others is my soul's temple. My need to feel guilty about questioning others is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the guilt of questioning other people is my soul's temple. Because
Okay.
both, when something is just not changing, right? Somewhere you have been there, done that.
Okay.
Everywhere you have been there, done that, you have to first destroy and create all of those parts and also let go of the fear.
Okay. Okay.
So these are the two things that you got to do it, like say for like how Shashi said, 21 days.
21 days, yeah.
Because if unless you do it right, you keep on asking this question, you keep on telling this or sharing this with 100 people, but it is not going to change. Okay, you have to sit and work through this particular thing, fear of being questioned and guilt of questioning others.
Okay.
Very simple two things.
Okay.
But do
This
that
was
for
just, this was just an example of the airport and it came up. But this happens with everything, not just the airport part.
That's a pattern, right? That's a pattern.
Yeah.
But work on it for 21 days.
Okay.
Just these two things. If you work on it for 21 days, it's not possible that it won't change.
Okay. I'll definitely start.
But just these two things. I'm not giving complicated stuff. Okay.
Right.
I'm just repeating again. My fear of being questioned is my soul's temple. My need to be fearful of being questioned is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of the fear of being questioned is my soul's temple. One. My guilt of questioning others is my soul's temple. My need to feel guilty of questioning others is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go the guilt of questioning others is my soul's temple. Simple.
Yeah. We'll be getting this recording now, so I'll write it down.
It will be on YouTube, so you can take it out. Okay, and do that bit, each statement 11 times for 21 days, and everything, whatever happens in your body or any memory that comes up, keep making note of it, and then every day see what changes.
Right.
If you really truly want to change it, Ranjani, commit yourself to doing this for 21 days.
I'll do it. I'll definitely do it.
And then get back to me what changed.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vandana. Thank you.
Yes. Gitu, you want to share something?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. Though I shared some bit yesterday evening, just two more acknowledgements here. I've written on the message as well. Uh, you brought me to accept. So, three things that I'll be doing. One, definitely practicing Soul's Temple. Second, accepting that I do feel bad on certain things when they're happening. However, my acceptance level on a scale of, if I would say, on the lower end, if it was like at a 4, now it has gone up to 8. I have yet not reached 10. So I am accepting what is happening around me and what is happening within me. And third, I promised myself on this forum that I am gonna do 21 days or maybe more than that. I would continue doing things to actually change what bothers me is to change my the career that I'm into and to change my money reality. So I'll be working towards it, and I'll be sharing my achievements with you very, very soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes. Next. Who wants to share? Anyone?
हाय
Hi, Jill. बोलो.
ये पूरे 1 महीने में जितना भी हमको आपने दिया है उस सबके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू।
You're welcome.
और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस मैं ना वैक्स कर रही थी तो उससे मैं जल गई।
Shit.
और पता है, मैंने सोल टेम्पल किया 2 डेज में, मेरा वो बर्निंग पूरा हट गया।
Wow.
मतलब मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो एकदम ही अलग चल रहा है।
क्योंकि तुमको ब्यूटीफुल रहना है ना.
2 दिन में मेरा पूरा वहां से निशान भी हट गया। मैं इतनी मतलब जल्दी से रिकवर हो गई सोल टेम्पल से।
कितनी पोटेंट क्रिएटर हो तुम, ये एक्नॉलेज करो ज्योति.
मतलब मुझे लगा, मैंने कहा अब मैं जल गई यार, अब ये इतनी जल्दी ठीक भी नहीं होगा कैसे। और बट 2 दिन मैंने सोल टेम्पल किया है और 2 दिन में मेरा पूरा निशान भी हट गया। और प्राची की भी तबीयत ठीक नहीं हो रही थी, मतलब लाइक उसके चेस्ट में और गले में पेन हो रहा था। तो कुछ नहीं ध्यान आया कि तू मेडिसिन ले या कुछ कर। वो जो आपका जो फुल बॉडी सोल टेम्पल था, मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं तू लेट जा, और मैंने वो ऑन किया, उसको भी सुला दिया और खुद भी सो गई। मैं बोला इससे अच्छा कुछ भी नहीं है, बस सो जा। तो मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा ये 1 महीने का आपने जो हमें गिफ्ट दिया है इसके लिए। और बस प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे तो आगे चलता रहेगा।
तुम ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस करने लग गई हो, और ये जो तुम कर रही हो बस इसको कंटिन्यू करते रहना है।
बस वही कहते रहूंगी। अभी तो ऐसा हो गया है कि जरा सा गुस्सा आता है, मेरा गुस्सा मेरा सोल टेम्पल है, बस यही शुरू हो जाता है। नीतू याद आ गई।
हाँ,
नीतू याद आ गई।
नीतू याद आ गई ना, करेक्ट।
तो बस प्रैक्टिस तो शुरू हो ही गया है, लेकिन हम आपको ये वाले टाइम को बहुत मिस करेंगे। अब कल से आप नहीं रहोगे साथ में।
मैं बहुत जल्दी चक्रा सोल टेम्पल शुरू करने वाली हूँ, 1 हफ्ते में।
वाओ,
यही टाइम पे।
अरे बहुत अच्छा, मतलब आप मैसेज डाल दीजिएगा इसमें।
हम लोग की नींद की लोरी थी आपकी आवाज।
नहीं दी का तो आप वो जो फुल बॉडी सोल टेम्पल है ना, वो तो आप बस ऑन करके लेट जाओ और आपको क्या नींद आएगी। ओहो। आपकी आवाज में जादू चलता है लगता है।
देखा, मैंने गलत नहीं बोला।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And thank you for bringing this laughter with your example. Waxing. सब हंसे तो सही।
यार मतलब पहले पता है 2 दिन से मैं सोचा मैं बताऊं नहीं बताऊं, मैंने आज तो बता ही देती हूँ।
थोड़ी अपनी सुंदर शक्ल भी दिखा दो ज्योति।
और पता है मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कहाँ मुझे हुआ था, देखो यहाँ हुआ था, अभी आपको कुछ नहीं दिख रहा होगा।
राइट।
तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ तो करती रहती हूँ, तो फिर सोल टेम्पल बहुत जरूरी है मेरे लिए। ओके,
Thank you,
थैंक
Jyoti.
यू
And
दी, थैंक यू सो मच।
you are beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. You are also.
ये जो खिलखिलाट है ना, ये हंसी, बस इसको बरकरार रखना है, सब सुंदर है।
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, Shashi, what do you want to ask?
Can we do the soul temple on behalf of someone? जैसे मेरी मम्मी दादी हिंदी ही समझते, इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाएंगे ये सब, तो
हिंदी में
ये
सोल टेम्पल कर
सकते हैं?
सकते हैं ना?
अच्छा, हिंदी में भी होता है?
हाँ, हिंदी के
क्या
टेम्पल
बोलते हैं, आत्मा का मंदिर, ऐसा कुछ?
आत्म मंदिर।
अच्छा, आत्मा मंदिर।
हाँ, मैं हिंदी में ही करती हूँ ज्यादातर।
ये दर्द मेरा आत्म मंदिर है।
हाँ,
ओके,
इस दर्द की जरूरत मेरा आत्म मंदिर है, इस दर्द को ना छोड़ पाना मेरा आत्म मंदिर है। ग्रुप में भी, टेम्पलेट में भी दोनों हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों है।
अच्छा, मैंने नहीं देखा है।
You haven't seen it?
नहीं, कभी देखा ही नहीं उससे।
I have done a full Hindi Souls Temple 2-3 times.
अच्छा,
पूरा हिंदी में Souls Temple करवाया है मैंने।
ये YouTube सेशंस में होगा?
YouTube में नहीं है, before that I had done. So है हिंदी। मेरा WhatsApp उड़ गया, नहीं तो I would have sent more templates to you, but अब मेरे पास पुराना डेटा सब खत्म है।
ये मैं इनको ज्योति जी आपको मैसेज करूंगी, आप ये देंगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं वन्ना भेज दूंगी, वन्ना दी के
कनिका
व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दूंगी।
कनिका तो मेरे को भेज देना, मैं ग्रुप पे डाल।
हाँ, मैं आपको भेज दूंगी। हाँ,
अच्छा, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
मैम मैं भी कुछ पूछना चाहती हूँ।
पूछो।
मैम मैं ना मतलब अभी सारा का सारा दोबारा से सुनने वाली हूँ और फिर सारा कुछ लिख के दोबारा से सारा करने वाली हूँ। और मैं मतलब थोड़ा सा तो एक चीज से तो मैं 2 साल से कर रही हूँ रेडिकल हीलिंग का, लेकिन अभी आपका मैंने सुना ये सोल टेम्पल मैं पहले से करती थी, लेकिन मेरे को ये इतना पता नहीं था, अच्छे से पता लगा है अब की बार। और मतलब थोड़ा सा तो मैं निकल आई हूँ आगे, लेकिन अब आगे बढ़ने का ना एक वो नहीं मिल रहा है। लाइक मैं सोल टेम्पल अब किस लिए करूँ? लाइक मेरे को एक जो चारों तरफ से मेरा एनवायरनमेंट था उससे मैं थोड़ा सा बाहर निकली हूँ, लेकिन अभी उसमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए मेरे को समझ नहीं आता कि मैं सोल टेम्पल किस चीज के लिए करूँ। लाइक कुछ काम होना चाहिए।
नहीं,
कुछ
सिर्फ ये सोल टेम्पल करो कि माय लैक ऑफ क्लैरिटी, मतलब क्लैरिटी ना होना मेरा सोल टेम्पल है।
हाँ मैम, यही हो गया। मतलब
क्लैरिटी
एक
नहीं
जगह
है
से
ना।
तो एक शिफ्ट तो हुई है, लेकिन शिफ्ट होने के बाद ना मेरे को अब कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि नाउ हाउ टू टेक इट मतलब फॉरवर्ड, how to take this shift forward.
So simply do not knowing how to take it forward is my soul temple.
Okay ma'am.
मैं तो ऐसे ही करती हूँ।
ठीक है मैम।
When I'm confused, I say my confusion is my soul temple. If I don't know what to do, I'll say not knowing what to do is my soul temple.
मैम कितने दिन तक करने के बाद फिर कुछ आता है?
पता नहीं, as much as you're willing to receive. So yes, that.
ये मैंने भेज दिया है ग्रुप में भी, चैट में, और आपके पास भी सोल टेम्पल वाला हिंदी वाला।
ठीक है, थैंक यू कनिका।
मैम मेरे पास ना अभी पेटीएम करने का अभी लाइक मेरे को अभी मैं उसमें सक्षम नहीं हूँ, लेकिन धीरे धीरे मैं उसका भी सोल टेम्पल करके आपको फिर पेटीएम करूंगी, क्योंकि मैं अभी कर नहीं पाती, इसलिए आप मुझे माफ कर देना इस बार।
ये सीखे सबसे पहली चीज,
मैं अपने आप को एबल करूंगी, उसमें इनेबल हूँ अभी उसको करने के लिए।
नो, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज इट इज वॉलंटरी कंट्रीब्यूशन, मतलब अगर कोई नहीं भी पैसे देंगे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, पहला चीज।
बट आई वांट टू मेक माई सेल्फ लाइक
सेकंड, whenever you are capable of doing it, whenever somehow I mean you come across or whatever, जब कभी ये रेडिकल क्लासेस किए, कहीं ना कहीं से तुमने ट्रांसफर किया ही होगा ना पैसा।
मैम कभी कुछ भी नहीं किया मैम, मैं कुछ भी नहीं किया। मतलब आई विश, मतलब मेरे अंदर से विश तो है, लेकिन मैं उसमें अभी एबल नहीं हो पाई हूँ। लाइक मेरे को पेटीएम के लिए अभी कोई मेरे को इजाजत नहीं है। लाइक अभी मेरे को मतलब करने ही नहीं देते हैं मेरे हस्बैंड।
हाँ, सो जैसे अब तक जो जिन जिन चीजों से बाहर आई हो, वैसे ही इससे भी बाहर आने के लिए डू सोल स्टेम्पल।
ठीक है,
बिकॉज it's not about being financially independent. It's about having the freedom to do what you want to do.
ओके ओके
Just that.
ओके
It's हर किसी को बाहर निकल के पैसे कमाना जरूरी नहीं है, बट जो एग्जिस्टिंग पैसे है उसको खर्च करने की इजाजत होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जब आप दिन रात घर के लिए काम करते हो इतना फ्रीडम तो आपको होना ही चाहिए. एंड मतलब नॉट टू गिव इट टू मी, इन जनरल आई एम टॉकिंग, ठीक है. सो वर्क टू हैव द फ्रीडम टू स्पेंड मनी ऑन योरसेल्फ. Who else?
मुझे एक चीज और शेयर करनी है.
हाँ बोलो.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. पता है, जैसे अभी मनी के लिए ये बोल रहे हैं ना कि खर्च करने की मतलब नहीं है कर और वो सब, तो अभी मेरे हस्बैंड ने ना ड्रिंक खरीदी. मैंने पूछा ये कितने का लिया, तो उसने बोला कि 25,000 का. मैं कहा ठीक है. मैंने उसको बोला 25,000 का, ठीक है लाओ 50,000 इधर दे दो. जैसे ही उन्होंने बोला ना कि मनी का जैसे ही आया ना, वैसे ही मैं कहा मुझे याद आ गया, मैंने कल ही उससे 50,000 रुपए लिए. 50,000
ये पता है, एक्सेस के लैंग्वेज में इट इज बीइंग द कंट्रोलिंग बिच. एकदम सही जा रही है.
और एक थैंक्स टू एक्सेस, बिकॉज उसके बाद जो मेरे अंदर चेंजेस आए ना,
एब्सोल्युटली,
मतलब मैं बिल्कुल ही उल्टी हो गई हूँ. मुझे बोलना चाहिए. अभी पहले क्या होता था, मम्मी को खाना बनाना है, बनाना ही बनाना है. अब क्या होता है कि उन्होंने बोला कि मुझे ये नहीं ये खाना है, नहीं मेरा मन नहीं है, मुझे नहीं बनाना है. तो अभी ऐसा हो गया, कल ही मम्मी को पकोड़े खाने थे, नहीं मैं अच्छे बनाती ही नहीं हूँ, मुझे बनाने ही नहीं है. तो उन्होंने खुद ही बना के खा ली और सबको खिलाई भी. नहीं मतलब ऐसा नहीं है मैं दुष्ट हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं दुष्ट बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ.
आप बिल्कुल दुष्ट नहीं हो.
नस नस में भर गया एक्सेस.
सुन ज्योति, जो किया उसी तक छोड़ देना, एक्सप्लेनेशन देने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं फिर ना सब लोग ऐसे सोचेंगे. वैसे मैं फर्क नहीं करती हूँ आजकल, ऐसा लगता है ना ठीक है जो बोल दिया जो हो गया जाने दो. बट लेकिन जैसे मुझे याद आया ना, वैसे मैंने कहा 50,000 करो. तो ये चेंज आ जाता है अपने अंदर.
एक्सेस भी करूंगी मैम, मैं एक्सेस भी
है ना
करूंगी.
ज्योति, तेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि यहाँ पे कितने लोग उस बात से इंस्पायर हो गए.
एक्चुअली 100%.
मैं एक्सेस भी करूंगी मैम, एक्सेस तो जरूर करूंगी.
एक्सेस करने के बाद उसको यूज करने का, जैसे वंदना दीदी बोल रहे हैं ना, सोल टेम्पल हमने किया 1 महीने, लेकिन उसका यूज तब है जब हम उसको कंटिन्यू करते रहे आगे ना. जब हम उसकी प्रैक्टिस करने लगते हैं ना, तभी तो हमारे अंदर चेंजेस आते हैं. तो बस वही है कि अपने को करते रहना है. हाँ बेटा, 1 मिनट है ना, सॉरी मैं अभी 1 मिनट.
Great to hear, Jyoti, because that's feeling complete. Good and bad, every side of yourself.
Yeah, she's perfectly fine with who she is. Absolutely. You know, she's not thinking, oh, what will people think if I tell, oh, I said no to my mother-in-law. Fine, I just said no to my mother-in-law. What's a big deal about it, right? How many times she would have said no?
Sad. You go into the sad story of judging yourself, judging the others, all rubbish. You know, like it pops up. But then she's really good. I mean, feeling happy and complete and joyous with herself. That's beauty.
She's one more person. Like there are a couple of people in my life who I know, they're so simple that what you tell them, they take it very literally and they start doing it. That's all. And automatic, the change is a byproduct. You know, that can we be that simple that receive everything that is given just with no judgments and no barriers. अच्छा ये बोल रहे हैं ऐसा कर लेते हैं. That's all. Like not thinking too much. Is it right? Is it wrong? Should I do this? Should I not do this? Nothing. That's the simplicity of who she is. I mean, and like how Kanika said, Neetu yaad aa gayi. Neetu is another, my Access Bars participant. She learned bars from somebody else and she didn't know English at all. She didn't tell even that facilitator that I don't know English, I'm not understanding anything that you said. She paid so much money and she didn't get anything out of the class because she couldn't understand anything. And then Kanika got in touch with me. And then Kanika was telling कि क्या आप उसको हिंदी में बताओगे क्या? I mean, अब वो already तो पैसे खर्चे कर दिए. So I didn't tell her कि you do a class with me. I said, okay, come with your manual. 1 घंटा बैठेंगे. I'll tell you what it is in Hindi. Okay. Later she did a class with me, but in the beginning I'm talking. So she just came and I, in talking to her, trying to make the clearings in Hindi, I told her कि बहुत simple हो सकता है कि जैसे कि अगर तुमको कुछ चाहिए तो तुम सिर्फ इतना बोलो कि हर वो चीज जो मुझे ये पाने से रोकती है उसे मैं destroy and uncreate करती हूँ. Right on good bad Corpo College was boys and girls. She's like, अरे ये तो बहुत simple है. हाँ ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ. I was like, हाँ बस इतना ही simple है. कोई भी चीज तुमको करना है बस बोल देना. हर वो चीज जो मुझे ये मिलने से पाने से रोकती है उसे मैं destroy and uncreate करती हूँ. Fine. Now some people are so simple, so literal that she started doing it day in and day out. Like things like she was in a big joint family and she was like, she started doing clearings about everything that doesn't allow her to have her own home. हर वो चीज जो मुझे मेरा खुद का घर होने से रोकती है उसे मैं destroy and uncreate. Very soon she was away. She had her own home.
Wonderful.
She would acknowledge. Even not that, one thing that she did was so magical that even I was amazed. I mean, sometimes when these people come and share things, I'm like, wow, I never thought like this. She started learning music because she became like very independent. I'm going to learn music. Okay. In a big joint family, Marwadi family, lot of restrictions. She had a music class and there was a family wedding in Kolkata. So naturally, if you're in a joint family, you have to be for the wedding. Marwadi family especially. Weddings are very important. Music exam is not important. So
nothing is important than the marriage. At that
Yes.
time, you are not supposed to do anything.
Anything. You have to like get dressed up, wear jewelry and stand there. That's all. That is important.
Yeah.
So she that time she didn't even ask me. She just did clearings on her own. After coming back from the wedding, she came, she met me. And like how Jyoti talks like that, she'll come to me. Whenever she comes to meet me, she'll bring some bag of fruits and this and that, something. She's like, Didi, pata hai, bahut mast magic kiya maine. That will be her conversation. The first conversation. I was like, yeah, bata kya kiya. And she said, मेरा ना म्यूजिक एग्जाम उसी दिन था, उसी टाइम का फ्लाइट था मेरा कोलकाता का, और शादी में जाना भी जरूरी है, और मैं म्यूजिक एग्जाम 1 साल पढ़ाई की अगर मैं मिस कर देती तो मेरा एग्जाम पूरा 1 साल बर्बाद हो जाता. पर घर वाले तो समझते ही नहीं कि एग्जाम जरूरी है. वो लोग बोलते एग्जाम जाने दो, अगले साल कर देना, शादी में जाना जरूरी है. तो शी सेड, आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग क्लियरिंग. शी सेड, मैं ये करने लगे कि हर वो चीज जो मुझे एग्जाम देने से और शादी में जाने से रोकती है उसे मैं डिस्ट्रॉय एंड अनक्रिएट करती हूँ. राइट एंड रॉन्ग, गुड एंड बैड, कॉलेज. So I was like, अच्छा फिर क्या हुआ? Like I'm this curious kid when these people come and give testimonies. So she's like, दीदी मैं रोज क्लियरिंग करते रही, दिन रात क्लियरिंग करते रही, और फिर अचानक वो म्यूजिक टीचर से मेरी बात होगी. वो बोली कि मैं सुबह 7 बजे तुम्हारा एग्जाम ले लूंगी 11 बजे की जगह, और फिर मैं 11 बजे फ्लाइट भी पकड़ लूं. I just adore these people because they add so much value. I just planted a seed, right? And when it grows this way, and when it that is my reward. When they come so happily and they tell me कि पता है ऐसा हुआ, पता है ये किया, पता है वो किया. I'm like, wow. So yeah, I mean that's brilliant. The way people use it is how much she was willing to receive. to even fathom that it is possible to have both. She didn't do the class either or sahi hai ki galat hai, blah, 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 nothing. She didn't do all those classes. She did foundation later. But even before that, she could think that, oh, why not ask for both? And she got it. Her belief that she can have both got her both. If we believe that we can't have everything, we can't have everything. As simple as that. If Jyoti would have thought कि अरे कुछ भी बोलो Souls Temple है, जल गया, जला हुआ थोड़ी ठीक हो सकता है, तो नहीं ठीक होता. But she didn't think, Neetu didn't think कि दोनों नहीं मिल सकता है. She said, मैं तो बस clearing करती रही, मेरे को तो पता था हो जाएगा, हो गया. And she would be this excited kid when she would come and like, I always used to tell her ना कि तू मुझे inspire करती है ज्योति. Sorry, ज्योति बोल रही हूँ मैं, नीतू. So these are similar energies, right? The energies are so contagious. Joy, as much as sadness is contagious, joy is also contagious. But how many people wish to be joyful? Or we want to just conform to everybody's sadness in this reality and choose not to be joyful. Now here, if you start thinking that, oh my God, everybody is talking of big changes, mother के साथ healing हो गया, ये हो गया, I'm doing contribution to other people, और मैं उठा के वैक्सीन के बारे में बात करूंगी तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे? So she didn't think, right? The people who don't think, right, they are brilliant. They add so much happiness in the world, like, trust me. That is why Access Consciousness says thinking is stinking. Stop thinking so much. Like, put your thinking hat off and just live, man. Life is too short.
Yeah.
And it's just one life. Do everything, whatever the fuck you want to do. Like, yeah, I mean, that's
कुछ
what
भी
it is.
गलत नहीं, कुछ भी सही नहीं.
Absolutely. Absolutely. कुछ ना कुछ गलत है ना कुछ सही है. सब सही है.
गलत भी अच्छा है.
Cool. Anybody else? I think we're already on 4:19. One or two, if anybody wants to share. Otherwise, we'll switch to the 6 o'clock call.
एक क्वेरी थी, पूछूं?
Yeah, sure.
ये access bars का जो हम we run the bars, that is one first thing, and foundation is another
Is the next
level.
class. That's the next class. It's
Okay.
a 4-day class. It's around 76 to 80,000 rupees class for 4 days.
Okay.
But it is like every single penny that you invest into it is like totally worth it. Completely worth it. I mean,
okay.
If anybody comes, I don't teach foundation, but I know some amazing facilitators. But if anybody comes and asks me, must we invest into this? I would say if you have the money, just blindly invest into it. Doesn't even matter because it is brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
Foundation is brilliant. Like Access Bars is also great. And when you do foundation, because I became a facilitator only after doing Access Bars, foundation, body class, talk to the entities.
Body process, huh?
After finishing all that, then I thought of becoming a facilitator. And that is why when I facilitate, I had all that experience before, like of doing all these classes. So I didn't just did one Access Bars class and 2 and 3 and then became a facilitator because I didn't feel confident enough at that time. So I did the foundation, I did the 3-day body class, I did the talk to the entities. Like it was an investment at that time, huge investment. I finished all my bank account savings in all these classes. But was it worth it? Yes, completely. Completely worth it. I have zero regrets of investing into those classes. Absolutely no regrets.
Up next कब ले रहे हैं Access Bars? When are you taking
Bars, now we can do it online also just because of the corona and things. Somebody has asked me, I don't know who asked me, just...
Ashish is having a live class, I think, about 2-3 days, 25th, I think.
The foundation and bars,
Foundation,
right?
yeah,
Huh.
foundation.
So you can also do it with Ashish Naran. He's brilliant. So...
No, but are you doing it Online.
It is being done
It's like
online
a
right now.
Yeah.
No,
but-
Someone
no,
did ask me, I have actually forgotten who asked me that they want to do bars class. I said, yeah, next week we'll see. I said, I myself have forgotten. I have to check that. I will be doing.
So
But now
whatever you
what's
will
the
be,
name,
you will be
Ashish?
coming
What?
up with, you will post it, right?
Yeah, I'll post
You
it
will
on
post
these groups. The
Okay.
3 groups, morning, afternoon, evening. I will post it.
ठीक है.
And there's a sequence to start with. Like, let's say you will whatever. As in, if you have to do bars first and then
First is
foundation.
bars and then foundation, or you can do like after foundation you can do 3-day body class. And in 3-day body class there are 50 to 60 body processes that you get to learn. Like how I taught you one body process, right? Just MTBSs. Where say there are many 60 body processes minimum. And then there are more. Of course, that and all is very advanced. Utna sab jaane ki abhi zarurat nahi hai. First, begin with the basics.
Can you hold a bars workshop before 3rd June?
Yeah, sure. We'll do one. I really have. I just forgot who has asked me. Somebody has asked me, ki, after your 1 month thing gets over, I want to do a past class. Yeah, Baban had asked me. Correct. I just got it. Baban had asked me. So cool. The day we. But yeah, you need to, because if it's online, we have to have 2 paid participants. So you have to have one more person. Maybe
So I'll ask
Divisha.
Babban. Oh, I'll ask Divisha.
Divisha.
You said Babban. Right?
But she's not in Kolkata. Like you need someone to practice with.
I'll do with Babandi.
Oh, it's okay. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. It has to be in Kolkata.
You have to be 2 people together.
I'll do with
Oh.
Babandi. Yeah,
Perfect.
I'll do.
So you have to have 2 people in the sense you run bars on somebody and that person runs bars on you. On the online, I can show you the points and the manual and everything can be given. It's possible,
So
but then there have to
physically
be
you
2
have to be
people.
there.
2 people have to be together. Physically.
Okay, in the same house. It's like physically same because I'm
Physically
thinking that
together.
because there's a
Alone,
lockdown.
what's the point in alone? How will you learn bars? Whom would you run it on? Like
Okay, I don't even know that. I didn't
it's
understand.
32 points on your head, which when touched, like for example, here is implant, example, money control, creativity, aging toaster, joy, sadness, body, sexuality, healing. So all of that when you're doing, you need a head basically to run it on. And when 2 paid participants are doing it together, one runs on another, another runs on the first. And there are 2 practice rounds in 1 day class. So that's
So
how
it's a 1-day workshop.
it's a 1-day workshop. It's a 1-day workshop.
Okay,
And what I have been doing nowadays is, because of the lockdown, I do it in 2 days, 4 hours each day, so that when you run the bars one day, the second day, you can also gather what doubts you have, and then second day again run bars, which instead of doing it one day, you can do it in 2 days, 4 hours each day. That's also possible.
Okay.
But now my daughter started giving me that implant you had asked me for, and I'm feeling so well.
Great.
So
it's brilliant.
It is. Thank you.
But Nadia, I had a 2-minute shoe story to share. I normally don't share thinking other people will have something more important to say. But you took the waxing story, so it made me feel I should also. Can be very succinct if you let me speak.
Tell.
Okay. No, there's a shoe brand called Uggs, and it's made in Australia. And when a few years ago, when I was doing my PhD, I was a PhD student on stipend. I remember seeing it with a friend told me, "Oh, these are really warm shoes, and it's really cold in New York City, like you know." So I thought, okay, one day I'll also buy this, and I just said out loud, "Okay, universe, I want these Uggs from Australia. Make it happen." And I didn't think anything. Don't know any of these earrings and stuff. And it's extremely expensive, easily $200, which in Indian currency is around 15,000 rupees. And I'm somebody who's always bought 100 rupees ki chappals from Metro Plaza in Kolkata, which is like kabhi usse zyada kharcha nahi kiya, because it's parents' money also. 1 year later, randomly my thesis advisor, sent me to Australia for a conference, and by that time I've forgotten about this shoe and all. And I'm walking around the streets of Sydney randomly, and I take a wrong turn. I was supposed to go see Sydney Harbour Bridge. I'm all by myself, and I take a wrong turn, and then I just see the UGG store, and I go inside, and of course it's made in Australia, and it's all way more color options than you find in Manhattan, New York City. And I'm like, अरे कोई क्या बोलेगा, कैसे ले, क्या करे, कभी इतना खर्चा खुद पे नहीं किया. And then an inner voice says, you're here by yourself, it's your own money, who cares what other people think? And I bought purple shoes, which I don't think my mom would have ever let me buy, thinking, ऐसे कलर के कौन जूते पहनता है, किसी से मैच भी नहीं करता है, तुम कोई चीज के साथ जाएगा भी नहीं. But then I bought purple shoes and I came back and all my friends were in awe because it had the tag made in Australia, whereas all the products in New York City say made in China, made in Taiwan. So I learned a lesson that it just sometimes you just asking the universe randomly, not even thinking so much about it, can make things happen a year later as well.
Yes.
There was no chance of me going to Australia. I never thought of it and randomly finding something.
That is the power of asking and receiving. Absolutely. Everything is possible.
And it's the only time I've spent $220 on me.
So what would it take? So now the question you have to ask is, what would it take for more of that to show up?
A lot of self-love.
So what Access says, when you're asking a question, you don't have to answer it. You just have to ask a question. The universe will show you what needs to be done. Universe will show you the possibilities. Simply ask, what would it take for more of this to show up?
What would it take for more of this to show up?
Anything that you want more and it's showing up in your reality one time, say, what would it take for more of this to show up?
Okay, I'll write that down.
Okay, cool. I think we are almost at 4:30. Anybody quickly wants to share anything? Otherwise, I'll close the call. And
आज तो मिस करेंगे बहुत सारा. आपका ये 1 घंटे का मेरा लोरी था वो मिस करूंगी. और अब पत्नी जल्दी से आ जाओ रायपुर. Thank you so much. It was awesome.
And yeah, this also brings me to, I personally haven't thanked the people who have contributed money to my Google Pay or bank account. It'll be difficult for me to reply to everybody. As much as I can, I will. So thank you very much for your contributions. All those who have contributed.
Vandana, can you please share the link for that?
It's like my Google Pay or Paytm, or I'll send the bank account details.
If it's a Paytm.
जो दीदू आपने हमको दिया है ना वो उसमें पेमेंट वाइज पे तो हम लोग बिल्कुल भी
कर ही नहीं सकते. It is amazing.
कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है. Definitely.
नहीं, but still I'm grateful for the contribution.
आज सुबह का जो था सेशन, it was so good. मतलब रोज हो रहा है लेकिन आज सुबह का भी I heard it was really awesome. ऐसा लग रहा था मेरे ऊपर वो सब.
Thank you so much. Thank you for receiving. Thank you everybody for receiving it. Cool. So I'll see you all.
Thank you one and all.
Yeah, everybody on the group. Of course, it's a co-creation.
I have written mine on the chat box.
I haven't read it. I'll just check it before I go. So what have you written? I think
Vandana?
Right. Yeah, one second. On a regular basis, because I really have experienced the results of it, always have gratitude for everything I have. Whenever I feel low, I'll remember that it's only me who can get myself out of this. It's about the mindset moreover. Absolutely. Absolutely, Drishti. Thank you so much.
Idu, I have to leave. Bye bye.
Yeah, sure.
Bye. You. And है ना एक बार ऐसे बात का सुना वो कर दिया करो वीडियो कॉल. Bye bye.
Hi Kanika.
Bye.
Bye all.
Bye.
Cool.
Thank you.
Vandana?
Yes.
Vandana, I have to say a special with lots of love and hugs to you. A very big thank you to you. I'm very, very grateful to you. There are no words actually. I have no words for you. But yes.
I'm equally grateful. I'm equally grateful for you.
Actually, you know, there are certain people who really touch your heart and you are one of them. Like, so many people come in. I mean, I've been learning so many modalities, so many facilitators. But, you know, there are very few, 2 or 3 people who really touch your heart, and you are one of them.
Thank you so much. I'm
really
extremely grateful.
You've reached my core of the, thing to help me, come out of so many problems.
I only want to tell you that this is just the beginning.
Yes.
This is
yes.
not the end. Okay.
Yes.
There's
the beginning and
way to go, and Ranjali, you might be one who is going to inspire a lot of people to come out of cancer, to come out of all these issues that you were so openly talking about, the whatever emotional abuse, the physical stuff that you see. It takes a lot of courage to talk about the deeper issues of life, right?
Yes.
And also to accept what another person is saying, even if it may seem not very nice at that time. You have been receiving, you have been doing as much as you could. And that is why when I told you that even if you do it 4 days a week, you don't have to beat yourself up, but make it a habit of working on yourself on a regular basis. Because definitely I know for a fact things can change. I know for a fact you're going to come out like really nicely on performance. There is no coincidence. This 1 month program, 9 days program, your question on my birthday call. It wouldn't have happened if you were not meant to get better.
Yeah.
Yeah, all this wouldn't have come into your universe. It has come because of your ask. And just acknowledge that I asked and I received all of this. So many people who love me, so many people who are there for me, and these calls and the Souls Temple and Access and whatever, shamanism or everything. So everything has come because you asked for it and you're willing to receive it. Now just open yourself to receiving more and acknowledge what you have received so far.
Yes.
It will change. Don't wait from that X source for everything. It is not required. When your daughters are ready, they will get it. If they don't get it, they don't get it.
Yes.
But you get it that right now, I don't have to only think about that. There are so many other things in my universe which are way, 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 way better. Right? Focus on that and please stop punishing yourself. Please. There's no... That is why the guilt and the fear. Work on it, please.
Yes, I'll do that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ranjali, we love you. Love you. And I know how the whole thing is expanded, because the moment you started talking and Vandana started creating.
Yes.
I mean, we've reached here as a big, big group today because of you.
Absolutely.
And we all love you.
Nothing is because of me. It's all because everybody asked for it,
Everybody asked for it. You took the initiative. You had the courage to talk about your issues. You didn't shy away from it. And you didn't think that in such a big group, if I'm talking about it, what is this going to create? But then how much ever it may have created judgments as well. I'm not saying. But if we let go of all the judgments that got created, this everything got created because you asked first for it. And only I completely acknowledge that day also I did, and now also I'm acknowledging only when I was working with you in that moment, and the third eye thing came up and all of this opened up from there. So I'm so, so grateful for you. Thank you.
Thank you. I love everybody.
Thank
and
you
I'm
so
very
much.
grateful for everybody.
Same to you, Auntie. Same to you.
Love you, everybody. Lots of love.
Lots of love.
Thanks for your laughter, Jyoti, today.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to everyone. Did a lot of contribution.
Cool.
I really want to say thanks to everybody here, because this month was like every day I was waiting for this 3 o'clock, and whenever I could sneak, I could join the morning call also. And my husband would always say, "Tera Souls Temple khatam nahi hota. Tu har waqt Souls Temple hi karti rehti hai." And I said, "आप भी करके देखो, आपको अच्छा लगेगा." मेरे
अभी
बस
तो
की नहीं
चालू
है।
हुआ है।
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है।
Right. And Banna Di, after your root chakra class, I really wanted to kind of, I just asked universe that I want to have one session or something with Banna Di once again. It was such a wonderful thing. And suddenly this birthday thing came up, and then the 9-day healing, and then I actually thanked the university. I just asked for one कि मेरे को एक बार दोबारा कोई
छप्पर
वो
फाड़
मिले.
के दे दिया.
I was so happy and I was so grateful, and I'm really grateful to you for sparing so much of time. You know, and there are so many things which we just keep thinking in our own self कि ये ऐसे है, ये ऐसे है, and somehow or the other you keep answering all of that, and वो सब कुछ आंसर हो जाता है और वो सब निकल जाता है.
मेरा जो साइकिक बीइंग है ना वो बहुत ऐसे एक्सपैंडेड है. So yeah, thank you for receiving, everybody. Thank you for receiving. It's also for me, it's like, oh my god, now what am I going to do from tomorrow? But of course I know I'll have a lot of work to do, but this was fun. This was super fun for me. I just enjoyed every bit of this. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you. And you're going to create more and more for us.
Yes,
You
we
see
are.
more and more
We are
of
all
us.
going to co-create for each other and for a lot of other people.
But then trust me, I've been wanting to leave last 15 minutes and I'm not able to. I don't want to miss on anything that's happening here.
देखो दी, आपको छोड़ने का मन नहीं हो रहा है
And
और कोई भी जाना
see you
नहीं चाह
again
रहा है
at
अभी.
6 o'clock.
मतलब मुझे वो याद आ गया कि मेरी जब पहली नौकरी थी, I was a receptionist at NIFD, and जब मैं छोड़ रही थी नौकरी after 6 months, सारे students कॉलेज के बच्चे, one of the boys in my autograph book he wrote, तुसी जा रहे हो, तुसी ना जाओ.
आज भी वही हो रहा है. आप जाने वाले हो लेकिन कोई जाने नहीं दे रहा है आपको.
वही
मत
feeling
जाओ. तुसी ना जाओ.
आप रोज हंसाती थी, आज आंखें नम कर दी हो थोड़ी सी.
ओ, ऐसा नहीं सोचते, वो जल्दी आएंगी.
यार, वो कहीं जाएगी नहीं ना. उसने इतने सारे
हाँ ना.
ऑडियोज और वीडियोस दिए हैं, वो कहीं जाएगी ही नहीं.
तो नहीं, अभी फिर से लाइव जल्दी आएंगी, ऐसा
Yes.
हम टास्क कर रहे हैं.
ये सारे इतने कमीने क्रिएटर्स हैं इधर कि वो लोग खुद ही ले आएंगे.
चलो दी, मैं 1 मिनट लीव कर रही हूँ, मेरे कॉल आ रहे हैं ना.
बाय. Yeah.
बाय दी, बाय बाय एवरीवन.
Love you. Love you
Bye,
one
love
and
you
all.
too all.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay, somebody is trying to say something.
Bye bye.
वंदना
Love
के
you.
साथ जो
Bye.
बंद गया वो बंद गया.
और मैं बंद ना बोलती हूँ. All the time बंद और मत. Cool.
Thank you so much. Bye.
चलो bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
God bless you.